here?
Nah, dibuat
Oh, there we go. Now I see you. All right, let's do this. It's so hard to say that I'm sorry. I'll make everything alright. All these things that I've done, now what have I become, and where did I go wrong? I don't mean to hurt, just to put you first. I will tell you lies. I'm sorry. I will stand accused with my hand on my heart. I'm just trying to say I'm sorry. It's all that I can say. You mean so much, and I fixed all that I've done. If I could start again, I'd throw it all away to the shadows of regrets, and you won't have the best of me. You mean so much, and I fixed all that I've done. If I could start again, I'd throw it all away to the shadows.